Kenny Omega vs MJF was one of the best matches in wrestling history. But most of the fans and especially Mark Henry is not happy with this. MJF and Kenny Omega delivered in big way during their main event match. But a number of fans still criticized AEW's decision to put that match on with such little promotion on free television. It also did not seem to help AEW Collision's viewership at all. Now, Mark Henry has heard all the critics and now he is speaking his mind on the matter. On this week's Busted Open Radio, WWE Hall of Famer and AEW broadcaster Mark Henry discussed the AEW Collision match between MJF and Kenny Omega for the world title. Mark Henry would have to agree with those fans who believe that a match with that caliber of MJF versus Kenny Omega needed to be on a show that fans paid money to watch and not free television with a 2-day build. Okay, now if we give our opinion, then Mark Henry is right. And what are your opinions on this? Let us know in the comment box section. And for more wrestling updates, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.